Hey, what's up you guys? For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Nikki and welcome to my channel. For those of you who do know who I am, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I know that I say that in every video, but I'm going to be thankful forever. I'm going to be grateful forever, so get used to it. But anywho, what's up you guys? So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this beautiful look here. This is a very pretty silver smoky eye. I was super duper excited about this look because I actually used a metal shock shadow to really create this look. And I was just like, oh my gosh, like it's getting around the time of the holidays. It's getting cooler here in North Carolina, and I want to create something that's really like bam, glittery, smoky, something that's gonna really just pop and get your attention. And this look was it. So I decided to create this look. This is I'll call it a silver glittery, so smoky. I like a silver smoky eye because it's not too many glittery vibes going on, but it's more of like a, you know, a metal shock, you know, vibe, silvery, you know, what, you know what I'm saying, you know, anywho. But yes, I really have fun creating this video. This is going to be a bit of a talk through slash speed through video, so you are going to hear me talk a little bit in this video because I know you guys rarely hear me talk in a lot of my videos. Most of the time I'm doing voiceovers, but I decided to do a talk through video, just kind of walking you through the steps of how I created this look. Alright you guys, I don't want this video to be long, especially not this intro, so I'm going to hush my mouth, zip it, and if you want to see this look, then of course just continue to watch. But before you leave my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also hit the bell beside it so you never ever miss an upload from me. Also like this video, comment down below, share, let me know what you want to see next, and of course keep sending that love this way. Keep sending that love. Alright, I love you guys so much, and of course just stay tuned to see how I got this look. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. So my skin is already moisturized and oiled up. I have a list of all the products that I use to moisturize my skin down below in the description box in case you were wondering what products I use. So now that my skin is already moisturized, I'm gonna prime, and I'm using my Maybelline Baby Skin. I keep putting Baby Smooth in the description box, but it's Baby Skin, so I do apologize for that, and I'll go back and correct and look through the videos and see which ones are wrong. But it's the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm going to take this and apply it all over the areas of my skin that, you know, when my pores are really large and you can really see through them. This primer is so good because it definitely fills in those pores and makes for a smooth foundation application. Alright, now for foundation, today I'm going to be using the Sephora Make No Mistake foundation and concealer stick. This is in the shade Chestnut, or the number 12. This is the oldie but goodie product. I haven't picked it up in a while. The great thing about this foundation is you can use it as a foundation or as a concealer or color corrector, which is super duper great. And I love when foundations are really versatile, but you can do that with any foundation, but I love when they I just love foundation sticks. I just love them. So yeah. But before I apply my foundation, I am going to do a little bit of color correcting. I forgot about it. It was sitting right here. I'm going to use the LA Pro Concealer in Orange to correct the dark spots. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply my foundation. Alright, so now that my foundation is all blended, and I just love the coverage that it gives. Like, you can't see any of my dark spots. My skin is very textured, yes, especially up in here, but we're going to put some powder and smooth that out. But I'm going in with one of my favorite concealers. This is the Too Faced Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Sand. This has absolutely great coverage, and I love the applicator. I love that you just pull it out. The applicator is just so convenient versus having to put it on your hand and then I love it when concealers have applicators, and this is definitely one of my favorite go-to concealers, and this is in the shade Sand, and I use this very frequently. I've used it here on my channel as well. I'm not sure with how many videos, but the coverage is so amazing and the shade range is just unbelievable. I just love this concealer, and I think it's just an all-around great concealer. You can use it for highlighting, you can use it for contour and color correcting. Again, I love when products are versatile and you can use them for more than one purpose. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this concealer on me. Alright, so now that I got my concealer, I'll blend it out. I'm going to go ahead and set it. I'm using the Makeup Revolution baking powder, and in this little tube here, I mixed the luxury baking powder in the shade Banana and Terracotta to give me kind of the perfect color. Because the banana was getting to be too light, and I just didn't like the flashback I was getting, so I decided to mix a little bit of terracotta in there, and it just gave me the color that I wanted. So I'm gonna go ahead and set all my areas, and I am gonna kind of bake a little bit because it's gonna be a long night. Alright, you guys, so now that I have baked for like 2 minutes, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna set my foundation. I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix powder, foundation powder in the shade NC50. Looks about like this. And I'm gonna take this and set my entire face. Alright, so now that my face is all matte, and I mean really, really matte, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna contour. I'm using the Black Radiance in the Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Rich Mahognay, and I love this powder so much to contour because the color is just so freaking amazing. Alright, now that my nose is snatched, I'm going to go in and I'm going to clean up my contour, and I'm going to do my brows off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to go into my Urban Decay. I'm going to take my Kristen Leanne-Kaleidoscope palette, which is kind of dirty. It's okay, don't judge me. And I'm going to take the shade Tagine. This is really pretty brick orangey color. Brickish reddish orangish color, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to apply that in my crease as well. Now I'm going to go back into that palette. I'm going to take the shade 13th Floor, which is this black shadow here, and I'm going to pop that into the outer V area. Now the thing with this color, working with the black, I'm going to go very light-handed at first and then build my way up. I'm not going to completely go crazy and just start piling black all over my eyes. You definitely don't want to do that, so you definitely want to make sure you're starting off light and not heavy-handed, and you're tapping off the excess black. Alright, you guys, so now I got everything finished. This is pretty much almost it. Now, with this tutorial, because I'm going for a really silver smoky eye, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply this Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Moon Dust. Now you could actually leave this like this and it'll be like a really pretty like smoky cut crease kind of look vibes. It will be super duper cute like this, but I'm not going to leave it like this because I want some silver, I want some pop on the eye. So I'm going to apply this Metal Shock shadow onto my lid, and I'm going to be very careful doing this and then go in and just kind of blend it out afterwards. Alright, so I'm going to stop it about right there because I am going to add some more black to really blend it in and really smoke that outer V area out. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the glitter to my other eye, and then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to really smoke out that outer corner. Alright you guys, so now that we have our shadow applied, I'm going to go in and I'm going to take some more black and I'm going to really just kind of smoke it out towards the end and really blend these shadows in together. So I'm going to go back into the Urban Decay palette and you guys are going to see how I just kind of smoke it out a little more, and I'm going to marry the cream shadow and the eyeshadow. I'm going to do this very delicately because I don't want to mess on this eye that's already looking so good and so popping, because the pigment from that shadow, whew, child. And of course, to highlight this popping, I'm going to apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. Now I did lose the footage of me applying my lipstick, but I used the Buxom lipstick in Toxic Cherry to give my lips this nice pretty red cherry kissable lip. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm super duper in love with how this look turned out, and I hope you guys love it too. I really had fun doing this look because I thought it was just so pretty, and it just goes so well, you know, with my outfit tonight. And then it could also be a holiday look. It could be a formal look. So this look can be used in so many different ways. So I hope you guys try to recreate it. And if you do, tag me on my social media, Instagram, send me a snap, tag me on Facebook. I'll leave all of my social media down below so that you guys can contact me if need be. And if you want to tag me in any of the looks that you try to create, any of the looks that you recreate from me, be sure to tag them on my social media. I would love to see what you guys are coming up with. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and check out the rest of my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.